Hello and welcome everyone to reacthooks introduction course. This is a short mini course on hooks. We will go through useState and useEffect and also talk about what are hooks and how they work. What are hooks? They let you use state and other React features without writing a class. Means that we will avoid the class way of declaring components. There are some sets of rules that you need to follow when using hooks. Let's see what they are. Rules of hooks. Don't call hooks inside loops, conditions or nested functions. Always use hooks at the top level of your React components before any early returns. Don't call hooks from regular JavaScript functions. Call hooks from React function components. Call hooks from custom hooks. Now, this is the first hook we are gonna go through. It's called the useState. It declares a state variable or it creates a state along with a function to set it or update it. Now this is a code snippet and I'm going to explain what we are going to do. We are first importing the useState hook from the React package. Then we have a component named foo. Inside the component we are using the useState hook. We are destructuring the value returned by the useState hook. The first element in the array is the state value returned, which is the count, and the next element is the array, and the next element is in the array is a function used to set the state. In this case it is set count, which is a variable, which is a function. The zero in the useState the zero in the useState argument is the default value, and whenever the user clicks the button, the count will increment by 1. This is the second hook we are gonna go through, and this is called the useEffect. This is actually used a lot in React code bases which use hooks. The useEffect hook lets you perform side effects in function components. It is similar to component.mount and component.update, which are the methods lifecycle methods in class components. It runs the functions we provide it. It runs when the page renders and when the given dependencies change. In this example, useEffect first runs when page enters, and when it runs the count changes. If you want useEffect to only run once, which is when the page enters, you can just give it an empty array. So the useEffect, the function we provided in we gave the useEffect is a arrow function. It checks if the count is greater than 10. If it is, then it will set the count to 0, and if it's not, it will just return. And it is and at the end there is a second argument we are giving it is the dependency array, which contains the count. So whenever the count changes, this function will run. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what video you would like me to make next. See you.